Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to add vignette in to your video inside Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is the software Adobe Premiere Pro, and I have my footage right here. So I press space to play the footage. Yeah. Okay. So to add vignetting, we have to select our clip and go to Window and go to Lumetri Color. So you open the Lumetri Color at the right hand and go to Vignetting, and then you have vignette. You can slide up the amount to add the outside brighter or darker, and you can choose the midpoint, make it smaller or bigger or roundness, and to feature. And you can compare before and after state by clicking the checkpoint here to see the before state and the after state. So here it is on how we add vignette to your video inside Adobe Premiere Pro using Lumetri Color. So hope you enjoy it and see you next time.